Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable automatic appearance on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on display here and brightness, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to appearance here. You come to automatic here. You click in this side. Like you see, this color show for us has mean here appearance it's automatic enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.